The digital marketing landscape is a dynamic and ever-changing terrain. New technologies, platforms, and consumer behaviors emerge constantly, demanding that marketers adapt and evolve their strategies to stay ahead of the curve. This is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for survival and success in today's competitive market. The key to thriving in this dynamic environment lies in embracing change, fostering a culture of continuous learning, and developing the agility to pivot and adapt as needed. It's about recognizing the fleeting nature of trends and the importance of staying informed about the latest developments in the industry. The evolving digital landscape, the rise of AI and automation, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing digital marketing, from automating repetitive tasks to powering personalized experiences. Tools like AI-powered chatbots, predictive analytics, and programmatic advertising are transforming the way businesses connect with their audiences. The importance of data-driven decisions. Data has become the lifeblood of successful digital marketing campaigns. By leveraging data analytics, marketers can gain valuable insights into customer behavior, track campaign performance, and make data-driven decisions that optimize their marketing efforts. The rise of social commerce. Social media platforms are increasingly becoming e-commerce platforms. Features like shoppable posts, live shopping events, and social media marketplaces are blurring the lines between social media and e-commerce, creating new opportunities for businesses to connect with customers and drive sales. The importance of mobile. With the rise of mobile devices, consumers are increasingly accessing information and making purchases on their smartphones. Mobile-first strategies are crucial for reaching and engaging today's audiences. The growing importance of video content is dominating the digital landscape. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels have become powerful channels for reaching and engaging audiences. Adapting to the changing landscape. To thrive in this dynamic environment, marketers must embrace continuous learning. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Marketers must stay abreast of the latest trends, technologies, and best practices by attending industry events, reading industry publications, and pursuing relevant certifications. Develop data-driven strategies. Data-driven decision-making is crucial for success in digital marketing. Marketers must leverage data analytics to understand customer behavior, track campaign performance, and identify areas for improvement. Embrace new technologies. From AI and automation to augmented reality and virtual reality, new technologies are constantly emerging. Marketers must be willing to experiment with new technologies and explore how they can be leveraged to achieve marketing goals. Build strong relationships. Building strong relationships with customers is more important than ever before. Focus on creating authentic and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Prioritize customer experience. In today's digital age, customer experience is paramount. Marketers must focus on creating seamless and personalized customer experiences across all channels. Develop a growth mindset. The digital marketing landscape is constantly changing. Marketers must cultivate a growth mindset, embracing challenges, learning from their mistakes, and adapting to new circumstances. The future of digital marketing. The future of digital marketing is bright, but it also presents new challenges and opportunities. As technology continues to evolve, marketers must remain agile and adaptable, constantly learning and evolving their strategies to stay ahead of the curve. The rise of artificial intelligence, the increasing importance of data privacy, and the evolving expectations of consumers will continue to shape the digital marketing landscape in the years to come. Conclusion: adapting to the digital marketing era requires a combination of creativity, innovation, and a deep understanding of customer behavior. By embracing change, embracing new technologies, and prioritizing customer experience, marketers can navigate the complexities of the digital landscape and achieve success in the years to come. This is not just about staying relevant, it's about thriving in a dynamic and ever-evolving environment. It's about embracing the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead and using them to drive innovation and achieve marketing excellence. The future of digital marketing is bright, and those who embrace change and embrace the challenges will be the ones who thrive.